on Wednesday, so I don't know.
I think he's off like a week.
Probably. Okay, works for me. So the only thing we have left for the group project is the PowerPoint that you so beautifully already put together.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Shall we start with the quiz? Boys, are you ready?
They have us both on mute.
I know. So rude. So rude. I tried to start it before. I got all the way to 15 and fell asleep this afternoon, so.
It's okay. I'm not even halfway there.
I tried.
I only made it to 30.
Oh, only 30. I made
only 30. Yeah, it's just I think it's just the same questions. I don't know. It's
They
weird.
are. I feel like I'm redoing the same thing. I just want to look up my old quizzes. But
Hey, did we say a prayer? Sorry, I got distracted for a second.
Yeah.
No, we were just waiting on you and Octavius.
My bad.
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. I'll say the prayer. I haven't said it in a while. Heavenly Father, thank you for the opportunity that we have to meet together and bless us able to stay focused this evening, that we may be able to get our assignment done and learn the things that we need to learn to prepare for our final, and please us that we may all be able to have a good end of the semester in all of our classes, and we say this in Jesus Christ's name.
Amen.
Amen.
All right, you guys ready to start with number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Let's do it.
got B.
I got A and C.
Close setting.
What? I read the question wrong.
I only got C.
Oh wait, it is only C. You're right.
So the telephone number would be qualitative because it's just like a label.
Wouldn't it be categorical because it represents a group?
Yeah, that's what I meant. What did I say? It's gonna be a long night, guys. All right, number 3.
Wait, did you guys say A and C or just C?
We said just
we said
C.
just C. What do you say, Latsumi?
I was gonna say A and C. You guys can convince me that A is
What's that?
I put A and C.
So why did you put A? Just because it was like numbers?
Because it it poses the same question with C, not just numbers. So the fact that it kind of says the same thing C says. That's just one telephone number, huh?
Yeah, out of a randomly selected business. So it's like a guess out of the group which one.
Okay, well now I think it's A and C. I don't know.
But even if it's I don't know.
So are we putting A and C for number 2?
I still think it's just C, but no.
I don't know. I'm
Why
not
do you
sure.
think it's only C though, Brandon?
Huh?
Why do you think it's only C? Is it just because A?
Well, that's a certain amount of people in a random classroom. So that's like a specific number of people that can be measured. A telephone number can't be measured.
But it's not the telephone number. Is it just the selected business?
No,
No, it
so
is a telephone number,
quantitative.
but the telephone
It's just
number
the
is a
telephone
group.
number.
It's a certain group of numbers, and it's a categorical thing. It's a certain thing. The number can change. The number of people in a classroom is always different, and you can count that. You can't count a telephone number.
Mm. Okay. So it would be like, so a telephone number is like a label. It's not,
Yeah.
It's just kind
so
of
it's not like a number. And quantitative versus categorical, it's not, on both of them, you still have to have them randomly selected. So, okay.
Does that make sense or no? Did I say it wrong?
No, that makes sense
no,
to
it
me.
makes
It's
sense.
clicking.
It's gonna click.
Does it make sense to you, Latsumi?
Yeah, I think I just kind of either misread it or just read it too fast and didn't even think about it.
Well, now just watch. We're gonna submit it, and we're gonna have it wrong.
Jeez, Brandon. All
Don't
right,
give me
so
the
number
opportunity to say I
3.
told you so.
Do what?
So don't give me the opportunity to say I told you so.
Yeah, as long as you don't give women that, because you'll get it too many times.
So for number 3, did you guys get B as in boy?
Yes.
And for number 4, did we get A?
Yeah, A.
And for number 5,
I
I got
2.28. Sorry,
what?
2.28.
I got 0.023.
No. Oh wait, I'm looking. Hold on.
Give me just a second.
You're good.
I actually haven't had a chance to do this yet. My mama calls you into you for breakfast.
Because
I
on
got
this,
0.977.
what?
What? Are you number 5?
Yeah.
Oh, that's totally wrong.
I just found the z-score and then found everything to the left of the z-score on the normal probability applet.
So did you get 0.023?
Yeah.
Wait, the z-score, wouldn't it be 70 minus 50 instead of 50 minus 70 over 10? No, it'd be 50 minus 70.
No, yeah, it's always 50. It's the value minus the mean. So the mean is always second. Latsumi, what did you say you got?
I looked at the wrong number. 0.23.
Yeah.
0.023. Yeah, I was just looking at the wrong number.
Now you're good. Octavius, you with us? I don't know. I'll just keep going.
I think he's.
Oh, he's with us. We good. Okay. For number 6, I got 146.8.
146.8.
Yeah, is that what you got?
Yeah.
How did you get that?
That's what Octavius got. So you use the normal probability applet, and up in the top where you normally find the
0.35.
and then you find the z-score, and then you use the z-score to find x.
Wait.
Is our previous speaker not listening?
Question. I am kind of confused now.
Okay, what is your question?
I don't remember how to do these things. I forgot I found. So is it 157 minus 150.7 divided by 10.2 or no?
No, so you're trying to find the value. So in the z-score equation, you have the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation.
Oh.
You're looking for the value, and you find the z-score based on the fact that you want the 35th percentile. Did that make
Wait,
sense?
so the 35 equals x minus 150.7 over 10.2.
No, so you use the probability applet, and you have to find the z-score that corresponds with the 35th percentile.
So 0.385?
I think so. Let me check.
Yeah, 0.385.
There you go.
So the 35th percentile is
But did you use negative, Latsumi? Wouldn't it be negative 0.385?
No, I didn't. Yeah, it's so it's negative 0.3853. And
why
that'll
is it
give you.
negative?
This might be kind of hard. I was gonna share my screen, but I've got it on 2 different computers, so we'll see how this goes. Nope.
No.
It's not working. Hold on. Let me pull it up on this computer. Give me just a second. Okay, I got it. So I'm going to share my screen. So when you're finding the 35th percentile, you want everything to the left of the z-score. So when you have everything to the left and type 0.35 in here, you get a z-score of negative 0.385. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
So wait, so then you just put so if you have the z-score, the 35th percentile, I don't get it then.
And
Where do you go from there?
so then you use the z-score equation. So you have negative 0.385 equal to your value minus the mean that's provided divided by the standard deviation. And you use that to solve for the value.
Wait a second. So you have the So it'd be 154.627.
No.
Um,
Is that the or is it, are you saying asking if that's the answer?
Yeah.
we got we got 146.8.
So if you input it in, if you take the point,
Oh,
I take the
that's the
0.385
problem.
and multiply it by.
Yeah. No, I accidentally put it in as a positive instead of a negative. 146.7. No, 0.8.
Yep.
Oh, geez. I need to write a note real quick.
So, Brandon, whenever you're ready, let us know. We'll move on to number 7.
Okay, I'm almost done.
You're good.
Okay, we're good.
Cool. For number 7, I got A.
Octavia sent me a message, said something came up.
Oh, okay. Bye.
And then there was 3.
Three Musketeers.
Who needs them anyways? I'm just kidding.
They need us, we need them. No, just kidding.
So for 7, I got skewed right.
Yeah, good right, A.
I agree.
And for number 8, what the heck? I skipped it. So give me a moment. I don't know what I was doing.
Pregnancy brain.
It's gotten so bad. I would say you have no idea, but you do. You do know.
I do. I've been there
You've been there. That's
a couple times.
How many kids do you have, Latsumi? I never remember.
I have 2
3.
biological and 2 adopted.
Oh, 4.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. The adopted ones are in their mid-20s, so they're out of the house.
Okay. So you adopted 2 and then had 2 of your own?
Yes.
That's cool. That's cool.
I adopted the 2 after I had my 2. But they were kind of in junior high, kind of tween. They're tween years.
Oh, gotcha.
It was family. They were taken away from their one parent. So it was either they continue to be in foster care or they come in my care. So I paid for everything by.
Do they have somebody working at the desk at Planet Fitness at night? Yes.
Yeah.
24/7.
Yeah, they're always going to be watching for you. Unless it's something cool, they'll just let you in.
I'm not, putting my eggs in the basket. That'd be cool. Yeah,
I got 0.5 on number 8.
I'm getting there. Hold on.
Wait, that's not point. Is it 0.5?
I got 2.236.
I definitely did that wrong.
That's me. What did you get?
2.236.
I don't even remember how to do this. And I can't concentrate with everybody laughing and making all this fucking noise.
your fingers back there.
So to do this one, you do the 8550 minus 8544 divided by 12 divided by the square root of 20.
Oh, dang it. Wait.
Look who? Yeah, just look at the test.
What's the formula for that?
It's the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
2.236.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the probability that the sample mean capacity of 50 randomly selected tanks will be greater than 8540?
So we find the z-score again, and then use the probability applet. That didn't work out the way I wanted it to.
What
One,
.014? No, 123.
what did you get as your z-score?
Oh, you have to do it for 50 now, don't you? Dang it, that's what I did wrong.
What?
Yeah.
3.53.
What the heck? Oh, that's
wait, I did it
why
wrong.
I can't
I did
type.
it wrong.
Now it's equal to 0. That doesn't work. Oh, I got this. Okay, we're in business.
Minus. Negative 2.357 is your z-score.
Yeah, so I got 0.991 as my answer. That's me. What'd you get?
That's right. That's all that matters.
0.991 I got as well.
Cool. I don't know what happened to that's me, but
I'm seeing.
oh,
Did you get the
what'd
same
you get
thing,
for
Latina?
number 9?
Yeah. That's what I got.
Oh, okay.
I was just looking at my z-score. Because I got a negative 2 point, whatever. Uh, and put D.
What?
D is in David.
Oh, for 10?
Yeah.
I put A.
A is for a p-value.
Oh. That's what I thought I was asking about. So, psych, I got D. Oh.
Wait. It's the significance level of a hypothesis test.
Yeah, so that's alpha.
Okay.
So it's D. Because the significance level is what we use to determine whether or not we're going to reject the null hypothesis.
I always feel like it's a type 1 error, though.
I think it is that too, but I think the better answer is D. But I don't know. How's that for an answer?
Did we get 2 attempts on this one too?
Yes.
I should have the answer right here.
Yeah, I went to look back at my notes today when I was doing this. I took terrible notes this semester. I got nothing. It's awful.
No, I didn't take any notes. I didn't take no chicken spread.
Oh, yeah. It's probability of committing a type 1 error is what it is.
Is that what it is? Did you
Yeah.
look it up in your notes?
Yeah, it says the probability of committing type 1 errors, best definition of notion of the significance level for hypothesis test. That's what I thought
There
it
we
was.
go. Beautiful, Brandon.
That type 1 error.
Yeah, probability of committing a type 1 error.
I guess. I only believe you because you read it from the notes.
That's the notes I took, though. So.
Oh, I'm just kidding. I
Yeah,
trust
that
your notes. So for number 11, did you guys get the last one? I think it's
Yeah,
E.
the last one. The last one.
Okay. I'm just waiting for Brandon to read the question and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
No, sorry guys.
What did you get for the next one?
For 12,
Yeah.
I
I
got
put
B.
B as in boy.
Yeah, I put B.
Okay, that's what I put.
And for 13, I got 0.019, but I don't feel like I did it right.
Which one?
13?
Oh, I got 0.039.
I don't think I did mine right. So let me look back at this. Because you used the one sample t-test, correct?
It's only the same price, dude.
I'm gonna pull up my.
You're good. Take your time.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, so you copy the data into variable 1, and then what did you use for the null hypothesis?
Up my Excel now. Hold on.
You're good. Sorry.
No, it's okay. Let me see if I can go into the laptop. Doesn't let me. But I mean, what did you use? Because I can't.
I use 0.95 because on here it says the S&P has a known population mean return of 0.95.
Yeah.
What did you get for the p-value again?
I got 0.019.
That's what I got.
Yes. Okay.
So it's one-tailed, right? Why am I off?
Oh my gosh. That is, it's gonna be day.
Like 0.39. No.
No. Hey, that's it, he liked it enough because if he didn't like it, he wouldn't have gone back.
Standard error deviation. What you get for the T the T?
The T value.
Negative 2.141.
Yeah.
Did you do a less than type of test?
Unless she just lets them have little kisses for like a month.
It needs to be a less than test.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Do what I want and I try to get it.
That was the difference with the test.
I got it all home runs.
0.019.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Can you guys hear the guys downstairs playing video games?
Kind of. But that's okay.
Sorry, I literally have nowhere else to go.
You're fine. It's okay.
I don't know how people can play video games. I don't fathom it at all. Firstly, they do it all night. I'm like, doesn't make sense.
They do it.
So for 14, did you guys get B as in boy?
Yeah.
Yep.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna readjust like a million times. I cannot get comfortable anymore.
I think I've read this one like a million times.
Which one? 14?
The next section.
Oh, 15?
15.
Yeah,
Yeah,
seriously, I think it was even on a test at one point. Like,
I think it was. I remember that direct flight cost.
I didn't even have to download it. I just opened it up. I had it in my downloads.
Yeah, because I think I saved it in these exact same numbers. Is that
Yep. So Brandon, did you get 14?
or
What the crap? Oh, yes. Do we use two sample t-tests for the next one? For 15?
for 15?
For 15, we use the paired sample.
Why is it paired again? You'll have to explain this to me. Oh, it's because it's the same flight. Dang it.
I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'll redo it tomorrow.
And then variable 1 is the 90-day one or the 14-day one?
I put variable 1 as the 90-day because you would get that one first.
I'll just keep it. Okay.
Yeah, she was texting a little bit. She's like, yeah, I guess we're just back there. But yeah, I guess Mom Mara.
Goodbye.
It's just hard being by yourself all the time.
Hey, done. I'm gonna go.
And she's not dating anybody. If she was dating somebody, and you would never hear from
I
her.
got 0.096.
Yeah, 0.0956.
Yeah, so it rounds up to 0.096.
Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. So 0.096 is less, so our p-value is less than alpha, correct?
Wait, what was your p-value?
0.0956.
How'd you get that? Oh my heck, this is ridiculous. Never mind. Give me a second.
Okay.
You're forgetting that half these flights get canceled. So it doesn't save it all for me.
So when p-value is less than alpha, we reject our null hypothesis. And so because our null hypothesis is there is no difference, we're rejecting that to say that there is a difference, correct?
We got 0.096, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the answer to 16 is C?
C. I put
Wait,
C.
C?
Like cat?
Yes.
Like a kitty cat.
No, it'd be B.
What?
I would do B.
Because the p-value is greater than the level of significance. 0.09 is greater than 0.05.
Well, then it would be A.
You're right.
No, yeah. Okay.
Why did I think?
Because we got 0.096, right?
Yeah.
If P is low, you reject the null, but it's not, so we can't reject.
I knew that, but for some reason, 0.096 in my head is less than 0.05. So.
Mine too.
Oh man, I hate decimals.
I can't.
All right, 17. This is as far as I got, so I have to read everything now. Sorry, guys.
Did you say 16 is A?
Yeah, 16A.
Let's see.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, I didn't do this one. What? I skipped it too.
It's a long one.
It
I
is
just
one
stopped.
one, and I just can't remember.
I got C.
Did you say cat?
Yep, cat.
That is what I just got too.
I haven't finished reading it yet.
You're good.
Why is it C? For
Because the QQ plot formed a straight line.
oh, okay.
And we're looking at the difference. We're doing a hypothesis test for the difference, not a hypothesis test of the each individual. Yeah, that's my explanation. Now, suppose the company of the previous question wants to use a hypothesis test. So, is it C or is 18C?
I thought it was A. Because I don't think it's a paired sample t-test, is it?
It has to be because they have to be the same. They're evaluating the same home. So it's paired sample.
Because it has to be C.
Wait. It doesn't matter if they're doing the same home. It matters on the person, doesn't it?
No,
They're
if you
looking
read
for
the
the difference
question,
between the people, isn't it?
right, but they're testing it by evaluating the same home.
Yeah, but they don't care about the home. They care about the estimates given by the people. They want to see if the appraisers can give similar estimates, not if they're changing
Similar
things up.
estimates on the same home, though.
Yeah, but they're comparing their appraisers, not the homes.
And the two, it says they're given by two different appraisers are different. Given by two appraisers are different.
The two appraisers are different. It's the homes that are the same.
Right, but so the reason that it's a paired sample is because it matters. So those 10 homes, both people have to do.
Yeah.
So it is paired sample. So it'd be C.
I don't understand because they're not comparing home. They're comparing people. They're seeing if each appraiser is equal. So they're seeing if mu one and mu two are the same. They want to see if the mean of how they appraise the 10 homes is the same.
Then wouldn't that change our answer to 17?
Oh wait. Oh
Then it
gosh,
would.
I'm an idiot.
It.
You're right.
Because
There's a line in it says the company subtracts the value given by first appraiser from the value given by the second.
Yeah.
Dang it, I'm an idiot.
No,
Thank you
it's
for your
just really
help,
late.
Jenny. I
No
am
problem.
actually really tired. I don't know why.
I'm not tired because I got up at 10:30 and I went to lunch at a Mongolian barbecue and ate a very, very large amount of food and then took a 3-hour nap. So yeah. Anyways, so for 18, we all got C?
Yeah, C.
Okay. Suppose you create for the mean, you were told to report this. True mean. Okay, so I don't know why I never get this question, but is the answer A?
I got B.
Could be.
Okay, I always get it wrong, so I'm gonna go with you guys. Can someone explain that to me? Because I always get it wrong.
I get it wrong too, but
Guys, guess what?
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 My mission president just sent me a message and reminded me that today I've been home from my mission for 1 year.
Well, that's exciting. Congratulations.
Ah! I'm so stinking old.
Oh, I think out of the three of us, I think you're actually the youngest, so it's okay.
Oh, I think I look the oldest out of all of us.
No.
I actually can't talk. I actually don't know how old Latsumi is, but I assume you're younger than I am, especially if you got home from your mission a year ago.
Maybe I was a really bad nut and it took me a couple years to get there.
That is true. Maybe I shouldn't assume. But now I'm curious. How old are you, Brandon?
So I don't share my private information with strangers.
Oh, okay. I'm glad to know we're strangers still.
I'm just kidding. I just turned 21 like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, see, congratulations. You're like
Yes, I am.
You're like 3 years younger than me. It's okay.
That's okay. I left on my mission like 20 something days after my 18th birthday. So quick question. Number 20, to figure it
Oh,
out, I forgot how to do this. What's the equation?
Oh, I have it written down. Give me a second. I don't. Okay. Oh man. What is?
So, do you have it?
Oh, it's n times p has to be greater than or equal to 10, and n times 1 minus p has to be greater and equal to 10.
So if p equals 4 or 5, the smallest value of n has to satisfy.
So n times p has to be greater than 10, and n times 1 minus p has to be greater than 10. Excellent.
What's the smallest value n that satisfies?
I got 50.
Times P
I
is
got
greater than
50. What'd you say, Latsumi?
I'm trying to figure out the equation.
Oh.
Wait.
Yes.
4/5
Okay.
times n.
It has to be greater than or equal to 10.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Wouldn't it be 13?
No, because if you plug 13 into the other
Oh,
equation,
yeah.
it wouldn't work.
So
I have, but 13 would be I thought 13 would be the smallest value of n.
That would, you have to have the smallest value of n that would satisfy both.
Oh, this is asking for p. Is it?
How's it going? Good.
you're right. That's 50.
13. Oh. 15. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if this one. So n on my p. Okay.
Yeah, you guys can come in.
So 10. So would it be 10 over 0.2? So it would be 50. Okay. Got
Can I
it.
get a glass of milk? Yeah. That'd be nice. Sorry, I'm at my parents' house and they're feeding me.
I'm jealous.
You should be. My mom made brownies, like homemade. So for number 21,
I put D.
B.
D is in dog. David. Hold on. Yes.
Is that true?
So why did you use point? Yeah, okay. I agree. It's D. I was trying to decide which number to use, 0.233 or 0.250. But you use 0.233 because that's the known number. 0.250 is what he's testing for. Okay.
So what is it?
It's D as in David.
Wait, 0.233 is p hat.
Is P. That's the known value.
I was asking are the conditions met. So the sample portion P would be approximately normal.
Okay.
0.233, that's the one that's like Jenny said, it's the known one.
So D. This is taking forever.
We're only halfway there.
I'm halfway there. Whoa.
I know that song.
Are you sure?
I grew up with that song.
I grew up with that song.
With my childhood.
It was just for convenience.
With my mom. Oh, come on. No, my mom and I knew that song before she did.
If you're only 21, you wouldn't know that song. You're not old enough to know that song.
Yeah, somehow Jenny got me to tell you my age.
I told you mine.
You're 24?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to know mine.
Last
I
means
do.
like 25.
But if you don't want to share, it's okay.
So Jenny, you're 23?
I'm 24.
24? So you and Brandon's age put together -1, that's my age.
Oh my gosh, you're making me do math. Oh, that's easy. Okay. I was like, man, look at making me do math in our math class.
Yeah.
Okay. We can do this, guys. We're gonna stay focused. I'm losing motivation, but we got this. Oh, this question was on the homework one time, and I got it wrong both times. So I actually don't know the answer.
I put C. I think I got it wrong too, but I put C.
That sounds right to me, but okay, let me read it again.
I spent my lunch hour doing this.
What a waste of a lunch hour.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. That was mean. Way to be proactive, that's me.
Ooh, no. I realized it was 40 something questions and I didn't want to be here all night.
Oh, sorry. We're trying. I'm trying to hurry. Okay, I got C as well.
Brendan?
I'm reading it.
Okay, sorry.
I'm having a really tough time concentrating right now.
You're okay. I'd say let's put a pause on it and come back tomorrow, but I really don't want to come back tomorrow.
Yeah, me neither.
No, Loki.
Okay, how did we get of all gametes in the dog's testes have the male chromosome?
Take it away, Latsme.
Oh, well, the way I understood it was assuming that the unknown free proportion of the dog, how do you say it? Gammy?
Gametes.
Sure.
Whatever.
So wouldn't it be 51.2% of the gametes in the sample?
It would be 50. I was 51.2, but it wouldn't be the sample. It wouldn't be the sample because they're conducting a survey that is calculated to what 0.512. Is that what that?
But hold on, isn't P hat the sample?
Because he's asking, he's wondering why we picked it to say the 5.12, the dog testes or the gametes in the dog's testes.
Have the male chromosome.
Assuming that the two portion does not contains the male chromosome. What 46 is 46%?
I do not understand what you are saying.
So the first one, okay, so read the first one. What is the first one?
Yeah, that just doesn't really work. The first and second one are out for me.
A and B are definitely gone. Okay.
My question is, we assume that the population is 46%, but she found in the sample that it's actually 51.2.
Oh, so C is talking about the population as an entirety, and D is talking about the sample. So
D
for
is talking
C,
about the 140.
yeah, so for C to be correct, it should say 46% of all the gametes in the dog's testes have the male chromosome.
But I could be wrong. I'm not sure. That's just my thinking.
Like I said, I remember doing this question in the homework and getting it wrong. So, but that's the most sense it's made this entire semester.
What was that last me?
When I did it, it was on. I think either. Let me look at my scribbly notes. Hold on, because I remember I wrote this question down. I guess my. Right. I can't find my notes on
I don't know. The more I read it, the more I don't. Maybe it's because I've already made the analogy in my head. Not analogy, but I think that C is talking about the true population, and D is talking about the sample, and P hat has to do with the sample, not the true population.
if they're
Ah. Pretty sure this chair is broken. I just went a lot further back than you should ever have to.
thinking.
I'm falling asleep. I'm in a class actually.
Good luck.
You can join if you want. So, lap me. I just need an explanation that would be better than the decision I made in Hungary.
What was your decision?
It was the bottom one.
The bottom one?
Because I feel like we're testing not for the entire population, but oftentimes it just makes more sense to me how they.
The more I read it, I understand where you're coming from. As far as testing for the population. But let me see.
To be honest, I'd be okay if someone just picked one, we went with it, and if it's wrong, just retake it.
Yeah, I think it does make sense for each sample.
So are you saying it's C or D?
Let's go with D.
Cool. Let's do it. So for 23, I got 0.427.
I did as well.
That's me.
0.427.
For 24, did you get B as in boy?
I got C as in Cody.
What?
What? Hold on.
You have to multiply it by 2.
Oh, because it's a two-tail, because...
0.182.
Yeah, okay. What'd you
I'm
say
so
last
proud
time?
of myself.
Yeah, C.
Cool.
C as in Cocker Spaniel. I wonder where I got that word from. Let's look at 25.
I got A.
I feel like we took this one and A was wrong, and it was E that was right.
I think Brandon's right because I remember it being the, yeah.
And we didn't understand why.
We didn't yeah, I'm with Brandon. I think it's E. The NP is less than the 5 and the N 1 minus.
I'll take your word for it. Doesn't make any sense. But it sounds good.
Because we did think it was A and we got it wrong.
Okay. For 26, did you guys get D as in David?
Yeah.
I didn't get there yet.
Ooh. Okay. I really need to stop eating, guys. You have no idea.
Hey, Jenny, you should stop eating.
I can't. They're here. You guys aren't helping me. Jeez.
That's okay. I was talking to one of my friends, and she said that her mom, when she was pregnant, one day her dad looked at her, and he looks at her, and he goes, "Are you gonna eat all that?" And she just looks back and gives him a death stare. I'm eating for 2 people. Don't you ever tell me what I can and cannot eat.
It's okay. My grandma, she's convinced I'm having twins because I've gotten so big. I'm like, no, there's only one in here. I think I would know. But no, she's convinced I'm just gonna pop out too somehow. Let me know when you get 26, Brandon.
Okay, does it say they're normally distributed?
Mm-hmm.
What, 26?
No, it doesn't say that it's normally distributed.
Are we on 26?
Sorry, I'm still
Yeah.
going.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Jeez, have some patience. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
My eye hurts. Ugh, so you want to hear a cool story? My husband.
D.
Oh, D. Okay, we're
Let's hear the
moving
story.
on.
Go.
I'll save the story for the next question. 27, I got B as in boy.
B as in boy.
But my husband got contacts this week. For like the first time. It is actually quite entertaining to see him try to put them in and take them out at night. That was all.
I need to change my contacts. I have had the same pair of contacts for like 4 months.
Like in your eye?
No, I
Like,
take them out, but you're supposed to change them like every 3 weeks to a month.
oh yeah, this is, we've been on since before 8 o'clock. It's been a party.
So we got like 47 questions.
Yeah, I'm just done. Thank you though. How's Relief Society?
It was fun. So we made 14 different ones.
I couldn't even do that. Were they supposed to be? Oh, okay. Sorry, my mom's a distraction.
For brownies or a distraction.
They were, but they were so good, guys. Did Latsme, did you get B as in boy?
28, yep.
27?
Oh, sorry.
No,
Yes.
you're good.
On the next one.
So you got B on 28? I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I haven't read it yet.
I think I just blueberried it because it was like lunch.
I would agree with 28 as B.
What is the
Brandon, where are you at?
what does the residual even mean? I'm trying to figure that because I read the lesson. I didn't understand what residual is supposed to mean.
The residual is the difference between the actual and the predicted value, I believe. As far as I understand it. But here, let's ask Google. So according to Google, it says in regression analysis, the difference between the observed value of the variable and the predicted value is called the residual.
Okay.
Weight loss.
So B is the correct answer. Oh, guys, we're so close. We got this. Okay. For the study of the B one was 5 pounds.
So I lied. I stopped at 28, so now I gotta read 29.
I would say it's C.
So is B1 the slope?
Yeah.
Then I agree.
To B or C?
C.
Okay.
C is in Cocker Spaniel.
Cocker Spaniel.
Crooked.
Cricket.
Oh my gosh, don't get me started on crickets. I'm about ready to move.
Hey, we cover that. Don't worry, we can sell you.
You'd have to talk to my landlord. I'm a rental.
Hey, that's actually good because you do qualify for our minimum price range.
Oh, good. Good. Who are you selling pest control for?
A local company.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure.
It's called Go Forth. It's from North Carolina.
You think one of your technicians will drive all the way out here?
Yeah, it depends on how much you want to pay him.
Probably not enough. No, I seriously, at like 2 a.m. the other night, what is today, Wednesday? So Monday night at like 2 a.m., I had a full-on anxiety attack because there was a freaking cricket. I thought it was right outside the window. My husband finally found it. It was behind our dresser, and he killed it. And I was like in complete tears because I couldn't sleep. Anyways, number 30. We're gonna stay focused. Okay, so 30 does not include A.
Nope. I'm gonna read it.
But it. So is it B?
I got B.
D?
And I got D. I did get B and D in there. That's what I put.
Is it E as well, or just B and D?
I thought it was E as well.
I don't remember. Yeah, because that's what the residual plot is checking for.
Yeah, it's checking the variance. Yeah, so it is. It's B, C, and E. I mean D and E.
Perfect. All right, 31. Oh crap, that's long. Okay. Pressures of supply and demand. Oh, hold on. Wanted to predict the price of tickets 14 days before a flight based on the price of tickets listed 90 days before the same flight. Oh, this is different. Okay. For her study, she compared the prices of one-way tickets using So for 31, are we looking for R?
Are we looking for R?
Yeah, that's my question.
What do you mean R?
Well, what is the sample correlation coefficient at? Isn't it R squared or R?
I guess it is R.
Okay.
I have no idea what R means, but yes, R.
R is the sample correlation coefficient, isn't it? All right,
That's
hold
weird.
on. I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. You guys keep going without me.
14 days for a flight based on price of tickets. Based. So that 14 days.
Are you on pause? Yeah.
Be 0.787.
All of the strawberries?
Yeah. I know, that's what I just said.
What? Okay, where are you guys at?
I'm inputting data.
I have no idea what you just said.
I am inputting data.
Oh, are you still on 31 though?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't miss much. That's cool.
I got 0.780.
Yeah, we're just calculating the correlation efficiency to 0.780.
What was that?
780.30.
0.780.
So, did you use the linear regression model? Is that what test?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure. I got 0.78.
Yeah, just put a 0 at the end because it has 3 decimals.
Right, okay. So 0.780.
Yeah.
What did you get, Brandon?
0.780.
Oh, okay. Look at us go. 32. Create a scatter plot using these two variables, using the scatter plot and referring to the correlation coefficient. Select the answer that best describes the data illustrated in the scatter plot. Cool.
I put B.
That's what I was just thinking. What did you say, Latsmi?
The scatter plot looks weird.
What?
That's why I put fairly strong.
B.
Cool.
B is
33. Good, us go. For the next two questions, compute the y-intercept and the slope. So we're just. So is it 115.640?
is that the y, right? The y-intercept?
Yeah, 115.640.
That's, yeah.
And the truth like a 0.626.
What?
7. For the slope, what is this? Hold on.
Oh yeah, the slope.
2.
The slope I got 0.627.
Okay, I get it takes it out to 672. I got 0.267. I'll round it up.
Okay. So we ready for 35?
$200.
241.
Yeah, I got 241.0.
I got 240.98.
You have to round it to
It
one
says to
decimal.
round to one decimal.
Okay, so just
So
241.
it just rounds up to 241.0.
That's
So the lower bound of our confidence interval for the slope is 0.518.
mhm.
And then the upper bound is 0.735.
Yeah, 73496 or whatever that is. It's
Yeah, I
7
just have my Excel sheet to set up to give me only 3 decimal places, so
I just found that.
it does the rounding for me.
Nice.
So then the margin of error,
0.109.
0.109. I second that motion.
Mhm.
What did we just say? 109? Yeah.
109.
And then number 39 is D, as in
Yes.
doofus. Good word.
That was a good one.
I'm using my English skills. 11.510 for number 40.
11.5. I got 11.509.
I got 11.510.
Zero. We're just rounding it up again.
Yeah. So then the p-value is 0.000.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I hate it when that's the answer. It throws me off.
No,
Feels like it should be wrong.
I got C for number 42.
Okay, hold on. So 0 is less than 0.05. So when it's less, I know it's stupid, but I can never remember this.
When
When
P
it's
is low,
less,
reject the null.
we reject. And when we reject it, there's sufficient evidence.
I
Okay,
never
I
reject them.
see.
Mhm.
That's me. Did you get C?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, for 43, did you get A?
For 43,
Yeah.
This is one of the first questions that we did.
I think it is.
Yes. Because we only have one variable and the mean is known. So it's the z-test. When we have one variable and the population mean is unknown, that's when we use the t-test. Look at me, guys, I'm learning.
We are too.
All right. 43, 44. Let's move on to 44.
This is
What'd you say?
I thought this was the last question.
No, we got to go all the way to 47.
Wait, no. Wouldn't that one be a one sample t test?
43 or 44?
43.
But you know the population mean.
But you don't know the standard deviation.
Uh, okay. So you think it's B?
Z-tests are more useful when standard deviation is known.
Ah, there you go. Boom. I was proven wrong.
So a t-test is used for testing the mean of one population against a standard or comparing the means of two populations if you do not know the population's standard deviation and when you have a limited sample of, for example, n is less than 30.
So I did not learn anything. The answer is B. I was wrong.
Because I was going to say the next one should be A.
Next one would be the Z because
We know the standard deviation.
Yeah, we still understand deviation.
I had that all kinds of messed up. Okay. So would this be the test of one proportion for 45?
That's what I put.
What was the definition?
What'd you say?
What was the definition of the test of one proportion?
I still can't understand you. I'm sorry.
You said it was test of one proportion?
Yeah. So then 46 would be the test of two proportions. What did you guys get for 46?
46. I put test of two proportions.
Hey, that's what I got. And for 47, did you put linear regression?
Still reading it.
You're good. Take your time.
We're in no hurry. We have years to do this.
It's not past my bedtime or anything.
It's
Past mine.
Yeah.
Can't wait till I get married because then I don't have to stay up late.
You say that, but like it's 9:30 and I'm still up.
Okay, 9:30 is not late at all. 9:30 is early for any college kid.
Okay, fair enough.
So I'm gonna be happy when 9:30 seems late to me.
Fair enough.
I can't remember the last time I went to bed before 1 a.m.
Sadly, me neither, but that's because my husband doesn't get off work till like midnight and I like stay up and wait for him or something.
That's so cute.
Nah, it's disgusting.
Mine doesn't get off until 1 o'clock in the morning.
That really stinks.
But I go to bed at 10.
Yeah. Yeah, if I just went to bed without, I wouldn't see him for like a week and a half at a time. So
I'm okay with that.
fair enough. How long have you been married, Latsumi?
This is 21 years.
This is year number 2.
That's why. That's the big difference. You understand.
Give me like 18 years and I'll be there.
Okay. So you understand.
Good math.
Yeah.
Good math, Jenny.
Thanks.
All right, so 47. Did we get 47?
I got linear regression.
The last one.
Yes, I got the same.
All right.
Oh,
Ready, set, submit.
please tell me we got 100. I really feel like we didn't, but I really hope we did.
What a great attitude.
40. Got a 91.
Ah,
No. What one did we miss?
you missed a lot.
So we missed number 4.
Yeah,
Was that it?
4 and 5.
Guys, what did we do? And 25.
What did we miss on 4? Oh, the median.
Did we miss? It looks like we missed 11. We only got like.
Wait, there's one more on number 11 that we didn't put in. It'll be the approximately 95% of 95 something.
Okay, but hold on. Should we go in and correct our answers for? What was that?
That was my phone. I have a girl calling me. Ooh.
Oh.
Is she cute? She cute?
She is very beautiful.
Oh, well, yeah. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so did we miss 23 also?
Yeah, we missed 4, 5, 11. I'm writing this down.
25.
23 and 25.
We got 25 right.
Which one did you put for 20? I got it wrong.
I put the last one. I put any N will do.
You said to put E. That's
I meant
F.
F. I meant the last one. Sorry.
That wasn't the last one.
Okay, so 25 is any N will do.
Sorry. Some of us choose to make wrong decisions and not tell others. Alright, so let's hurry and correct all this. Talk to a cute girl and go to sleep.
So we missed 4, 5, 11, and 23, and 25 is F. All right. 4. I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to write down my answers and redo the quiz later because that's going to take way too long.
Yes, give me 1 sec.
So did we say 11 was E and
What?
11?
What'd you say?
I was still looking at number 11. We got number 11 wrong too.
So are we missing one or did we just put an extra one?
I think we're missing one.
Oh, I know. We're missing the 95% of all 95% confidence intervals. That's what we're missing. Pretty
So
sure.
11 should be C and E.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. So what did you guys say number 4 should be?
So the three numbers.
Okay, just a second.
You're fine.
I'm just gonna hurry and put down the ones we missed and then end the call.
That's what I did. I just have it written down. Look at that.
Okay, so we missed
4, 5, 11, and 23.
4, 5, 11, and 23. 4. Oh,
Did you
yeah.
guys put, so does 4, does it decrease?
Wait. 25, 12, 21, 18, 20. What would it be? I think it stays the same. 25, 12.
The median's
No.
not going to,
It would, no, 25, 18, 21, 20, 20.
oh,
Wouldn't it increase?
But
but
we
we're
got
talking about the median, not the mean.
Yeah, I know, but the median was increase, won't it?
no.
Well, no, isn't
No,
that,
it'll
that's
stay the
what we,
same. It'll stay the same.
hold on, why does it stay the same? I feel like the answer is C. This doesn't make
Because
sense.
I'll show you. You do 25 and 12, then you do 18 and 20, and then 21 is your median. And then if you change it, it'd be 25 and 18, 21 and 20, and then 21 is still in the middle.
But that's not all the data.
That is all the data.
No, that's just a blurb of the 100 samples.
Oh, changos con mangos.
So it's C. We can't determine that without all the data.
That's true.
Okay.
Aren't you just a smart cookie?
Yeah. Yeah. That's why this time next week I'll have a degree.
Hey, C's get degrees too.
Yeah, no, they do. That a lot of mine are. That's how I'm getting it.
Oh, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry, child. I got you.
Oh, thanks. Okay, so what did we do wrong on 5?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure that out.
I'm gonna
What's
draw
the
my little.
68, 95, 99.7 rule?
Okay, so 68% of the data falls within 1 plus or minus 1 standard deviation of the mean. 95% of the data falls within plus or minus 2 standard deviations, and 97% of the data falls within plus or minus 3 standard deviations of the data. Under 50 minutes.
I don't get that one.
Okay, so given we know the mean is 70 minutes and standard deviation is 10, the x would be 50. So we have to find the z. So you do the z, so x minus u would be, so it'd be 50, would it be 50 minus 70 divided by the n? It would give you a -2.
Isn't that what we did?
So would
Yeah,
then would
we
just be
did that.
95%?
But if we're using the 60, 68, 95, 97 rule, if you approximate that, the probability that z is equal to -2, which is converted to 0.02275. Is this in percentage? Is that what we're supposed to do, is in the percentage?
Hold on. My computer screen just went.
So, yeah, so we had to convert it back. We had to convert it's saying what percentage of students will complete the exam in under 50 minutes. So we had to convert that back to a percentage. So if we convert it back to percentage using the 68, 90, 97 rule, it would be 2.28.
But then we're only supposed to give it to one decimal place. So it's
So
just 2.3.
What did we put it as before?
0.023.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
so
just be 2.3 then.
2.3.
Okay. So 23.
23.
Then we corrected 11.
We did 11, right? 11 was E and
C
C.
and E.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
What?
23.
I know what we did wrong. We have to find the z-score. And take 0.427 minus 0.45.
oh yeah.
Divide that by p. Divide that by the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Divide that by what?
But what? Wait, go back.
Okay, so the square root, and then in the entire square root, there's a fraction, and the numerator is p times 1 minus p
Oh,
divided by n.
What is P?
P is the 0.45 they gave us in the question.
yeah.
Oh,
So is n is at the 750?
Yep.
750, so multiply by that. By 13.
wait. So it'd be P minus, well, I mean P times 1 minus P divided
Divide
by,
that by n, and then take the square root of that entire number.
oh,
Get 13.62.
I have not. You're too fast.
All right.
You're too speedy.
I'm using my scientific calculator.
So am I. I got negative 1.266. What did you do?
So I took the 750 multiplied by the
What?
0.45. So 750 or 750 multiplied by 0.45, and then is it the 1 minus 0.45?
No, you're doing that wrong.
Can you say the equation with all the p's and everything for me?
Do you want the entire equation for the z-score?
Sure.
Okay, hold on. Maybe it would be easier if I found it on the internet. Give me a second.
Oh, actually, I have it right here.
Well,
Do you get a negative, Jenny? Like negative 1.32?
I got, for the z-score, I got negative 1.26. What are you asking?
The z-score, my z-score is off.
Or mine is. I mean, you don't always have to trust me.
So it's going to be p hat 1 minus p hat 2 divided by the square root of p times p minus 1.
1 minus p.
1 minus p, sorry.
It's okay. Just makes a
Divided by,
difference. Divided by n.
divided by 1 over the first n plus 1. Oh, that's the 2. Sorry, that's the 2.
I was like, what are you saying?
Oh, I don't have the z-score for just the...
I'll pull it up. Just give me a hot minute. What lesson was this? This is the...
What's the stinking equation?
I'm getting there, Brandon. Hold on.
Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to figure. P1 minus P2 divided by...
It's only, we're not doing P1 and P2. We're doing P hat and P.
Sorry. P
By the
hat
way.
minus P
Okay.
divided by square root of P hat. Wait, P hat? Or just P?
Yeah, under the square root, it's just P.
P times 1 minus P divided by
N.
So it would be 0.4266 equals that. Take that and divide it by the square root 45 times 1 minus 0.45.
Are you going to bed? Okay.
Divided by...
Let me know if you need picked up, okay?
Okay, my z-score, I got negative 1.284.
What was that?
Negative 1.284.
I got negative 1.266. Let me check my, let me retype it in. That's me. What did you?
Negative 1.32.
Well,
Negative 1 point. Wait a second.
that's what you got for your z-score, right?
Yeah.
What if I did...
Oh my gosh, this computer.
Did we get, wait, was it 0.426?
Hold on. $320 divided by 750. is 0.426667.
So take that minus 0.45
Yep.
equals whatever that is. And then do that divided by square root of 0.45 times 1 minus 0.45 divided by 750 negative 1.284.
Okay, I got negative 1.284. I'll agree. When I did it the first time, I just did 0.427. That's where it came from.
So we have a problem. I got 0.0996 for the z, for the probability then.
Okay, what's the problem?
I can't remember how to make that normal. Would it be 1.00?
Oh, hold on.
0.100?
So 0.0996. We're going to 3 decimal places. The 6 rounds the 9 up to a 10. So it's 0.100.
Okay. Anything else we got wrong? I think that's it.
That's all. Latsme, did you understand? Or
No, because did you get 0.093 for 9?
No.
we got 0.996.
0.0996.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we used negative 1.284 as our z-score.
Okay, let me put that in and see. Negative 1.284. So do we have to round that up?
No.
Round what up?
So it still be 0.099.
No, you'd round it up to 0.100. Sorry, I thought you meant the other one.
No, so just 100, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because I didn't put in the negative 1.2 because I put in negative 136.
Okay. I think you just might have typed something into your calculator wrong. What equation are you using? Are you using? I have it. I finally found it.
I think what you did is you rounded too quickly.
Probably.
Because you probably did 0.426 or 0.427 minus 0.45. And that would make it different.
Yeah, that's why I'm wondering who you got.
So did we miss 4, 5, 11, and 23? Were those only ones?
I believe so. I'll scan through really fast and make sure. 4, 5, 11. $23, $25. Yep, that's all.
All right, I'm gonna kick it then.
All right, have fun talking to your girl.
I always do.
Oh, good. Have a good night, Brandon.
Right. See y'all. See you both. Have a good night.
You too. Oh, Latsme, are you still there? Oh, no. Bye.